What's up guys, Ian Polish is back with another video. I wasn't going to make a video on this project because I'm still R&Ding this industrial coating, or not coating, this polish that I'm working on. Sorry, I've got coatings going on, I got polishes going on, so I'm going to get them mixed up. So forgive me in the future. But we're working on a new polish right now. I'm calling it the color corrector for this reason. Okay, so it's designed for single stage paints, industrial paints, things without a clear coat. Okay, keep that in mind. It's gonna work great on clear coat. However, there are a million other products. I sell some products that work even better on clear coat. This one, I needed to build something that had long extended working time, that cut real heavy and then finished out real finely, and I have achieved that. So either by the time this video is released, it'll be on my store, shopscratchworks.com, or within a few weeks after that, it will be available to purchase. So all I did with that was put it on my dual action polisher, a microfiber pad of my choice. I chose extra heavy cut because I wanted to work a little more efficiently, and I knew it was gonna finish out the way I wanted it to. But as you can see, you guys, the results are absolutely fantastic. So let's cut back to more time lapses. We'll get this whole thing wrapped up, and then we'll see you at the end of the video. Thanks. So let's go over what we just did. Here is the truck in its entirety. It is very red now. So we got it all polished up with my new color correct coming out soon. But then we protected it with bronze spray ceramic, all right? You'll get about 3 months out of this, a little bit less here in the winter in North Dakota. I just wanted to protect the shine that we got until he gets vinyl on it. His door stickers are coming in, and then we'll strip that coating off and we'll put a big coating on top of it. All right guys, it's been a little bit, but we're back at the GMC. They just had a little extra work to do, put the mirrors back on, they put their logo on the side, and then they rebuilt the bed, which looks absolutely amazing. So I stripped bronze off of it, I ran around it with panel prep, and then now we're gonna put Scratchworks gold ceramic coating on it to really lock this shine in, okay? I don't want the sun or any oxidation to come back on this, what is it, 40-year-old paint. So we're gonna put Scratchworks gold on it just to make sure that it doesn't happen, and then it'll be set. So let's cut to the time lapse of the application, and then we'll use some nice fancy shots at the end. Thanks for watching, guys. All right, guys, the Woodchuck GMC is finished. This thing went from faded and old and ugly to dang near brand new. All right, this was a fantastic and fun project for me. I wasn't planning on filming it, as you noticed at the beginning. That's why I had to pull the cameras out, halfway through the job. But it blew me away with how much paint was underneath and how well this red really shined back up. So thanks again. If you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like, leave a comment down below what you'd like to see more of, and we'll try and get that on the channel. But if you haven't, please subscribe. We have a lot more videos coming up. And let's cut to some good shots. Thanks, guys.